Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 4th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing Unitech. This is one of the queries in my WhatsApp group. So firstly the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility as well as its outcome and I can't be held illegally responsible for it. So Unitech, this is the weekly chart, and if you see these two red lines, these lines are the resistance levels, and current price action is at the lower red line. So this is facing resistance on this line. Now if you see this green candle which it tried to break this resistance but it could not, there is a long upper shadow and this shows that it is currently not having a strength. It tried to break this line but it could not. Also if you see RSI momentum is high but still it is not able to break it. So now there are two options. It may try in few weeks to break this. If it is able to break this, then there is a different story. First let's see that what happens if it is not able to break. So this is a resistance and if it chooses to go down, it is not able to have that much strength to go up, then it will go down, and thereby this bottom formation, which if you see, this is the bottom formation, long bottom formation, which has happened after a long time since 2010, this will be negated. But then normally in my experience I have seen but that if we have a long-term breakout happening, then possibly this might surge up, but then currently there is no sign of breakout. Once a breakout happens, we have to watch this, that if a breakout happens, so when I tell breakout happens, that means it should go above 10 above 11.5, and then it has to sustain for a few days. So possibly if a breakout happens from this level, then it will go up, face resistance at 15, and then it will oscillate between 15 and 10, 10 and 15. This oscillation will happen, and once a breakout happens above 15, then there will be a different story which I will tell later. But then first thing is, now we have to watch that guy who asked the question, take care of this, that if it is not able to break this in few weeks, then it does not make sense that you hold it, because it will happen that it will go down and down, and once this goes below it, then it has again a much lower side to go. But then since this is a bottom formation after a long time, I will say that give some time to it, and let's see that if it is able to break above 11.5 in a few, maybe since we have budget in February next month, then possibly a momentum can be seen, and with that momentum a breakout can happen at this level. So just give it some time, and if it does not happen by the end of February, then definitely exit. And if it all, in any case, if it chooses to go down and go down below 8, then exit. There is no point in just holding or losing a stock, because it will become more negative. It's better to invest the same amount of money in some good shares, which are there are a lot. If you want to find or pick some good stock, you can see in the playlist which I have in this YouTube channel, portfolio ideas, where you can pick any of the stock which I have recommended, and then you can choose to buy. There are a lot. I mean, if you are looking for only real estate stocks, then there are others like India Bull Real Estate, then NCC, IRB. These are good stocks. Some of them I also hold in my in my portfolio. So just a disclaimer that IB Real Estate, then NCC, I have those in my portfolio. So if you want to add it, you can add it. But as far as Unitech is concerned, give it time till Feb. Uh, if it is able to break out above 11.5, then fine, otherwise you can exit if it chooses to go below 8. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.